In this video, we will be learning on portfolio optimization. Firstly, we will understand what is a portfolio optimization means. Portfolio optimization is the process of selecting the best portfolio asset distribution out of the set of all portfolios by maximizing the expected return and minimizing costs like financial risk. Portfolio optimization is a simple optimization problem using the existing financial data. We find out the best combination of assets by calculating the return and risk. To solve portfolio optimization, we have the cost function like below. The first term shows the return of the assets and the second as risk we estimate. The third term is the constraint for how many number of assets we select. Let's take an example to select 2 assets from 6 possibility assets. For that, let's start solving it using Blueqat in Google Colab. Firstly, we need to install Blueqat in Google Colab and run it. Blueqat is successfully installed. Then, import libraries for Blueqat like NumPy and Blueqat optimization as shown here. Now, let's take an input data of return assets. We put the return data in the diagonal matrix form and then print the return data. Run the code. This is a diagonal matrix of the return assets. Now, let's take an input data of risk assets. These are the data for risk assets. Now, we will add these 2 matrices, that is return matrix and risk matrix, which will give the final kubo, then print the kubo. Run the code. Then we will get the kubo matrix, and here is the kubo matrix. Finally, we need one more term to make a constraint on the number of assets we choose. Here we try a simple function which Blueqat provide, select function to choose 2 from 6. Then print the updated value of kubo. Here is the updated value of diagonal kubo matrix. Finally, when we print the code, we get the result where only 2 out of 6 assets have value 1 and others has 0. This indicate that the assets which has value 1 were selected. This is how the portfolio optimization can be done using Blueqat. We can also check the time evolution of cost function. This graph shows the time evolution of cost function. Thank you for watching this video.